Well, nearly a week after a tornado tore through Jackson, cleanup is still happening, including removing fallen trees. 12 News' Ada Farish is live in Belhaven. And tell us what you're seeing out there.
Well, Jay, the tree that fell behind me is almost completely cleared now, but it left some pretty lasting damage. Now, this is video of what it actually looks like. This home, really, when I first arrived, this tree fell a week ago, but it's only day 2 of cleanup. I spoke with one man helping to clear the tree, and he says this is a pretty typical scene after a tornado or a hurricane, but it's tough knowing that this was someone's home.
It's like a bunch of houses they just tore, just tore up. The trees don't fell through the roof, and just devastate. You see the families, they see the look on their face, and we try to come out and help everybody, to get back situated because of the storm and everything like that. So, it just around the clock work. We not sleeping much. We just working around the clock because everybody calling, and we trying to be available to help everybody.
I actually spoke to the landlord earlier who says one of her tenants was trapped inside when the storm came through. The tenant's sister was almost crushed by this tree when the storm rolled through as well. I'll have much more on that story starting at our 4 o'clock show later tonight. I'm Anna Farish, live in Belhaven. Guys, back to you.